everyone. I'm super excited to let you know that I am part of Future Data Driven Summit 2023 this year, and I am presenting my session, Getting Started with Governance for Your Power BI Estate. I hope to see you there. It's on Wednesday, September 27th. Come check us out.
Hello, data community. My name is Solar Zhu. I'm so happy here to invite you to join our Future Data Driven Summit 2023. This is a great conference to meet all data experts to enhance your data skills.
Hello, I'm Brian. I think you should attend the Future Data Driven Summit at September 27. A full day of free training on the favorite topic, data. The amount of speakers and the content there will be enormous this year. So don't forget to attend the Future Data Driven Summit. See you there.
Hi, I'm Ed Pollack and I wanted to invite you to join me at Future Data Driven Summit 2023.
This is Said Hassani and I'm excited to invite you to join the upcoming Future Data Driven Conference.
Hi everybody, I'm Anna.
Hello everyone, I'm Surbhi and we are back here with your favorite event, Future Data Driven Summit 2023.